Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mona Lee, and I welcome you here at Hanover Fair 2014 at the group exhibit Hydrogen Fuel Cells and Batteries. We are actually celebrating our 20th year anniversary this year with 158 exhibitors from 22 different countries. Therefore, I invite you all to sit down and get comfortable, have some drinks. There will be lovely ladies walking around serving complimentary drinks. They are all on the house. Also, I invite you to participate in the discussion. You can easily raise your hand and I will take your question. Now let's start a discussion on the topic small hybrid power solutions. And therefore, please welcome with me on stage CEO of Genport, Mr. Paolo Fracas. Thank you. Have a seat.
You.
Now, for those in the audience who do not know, can you please give us a brief introduction of what Genport is, the company evolution, and what has brought you to the fair?
See, Genport is born in 2009 as a spin-off of Polytechnic of Milan, and we've been in the process of internationalization in the last couple of years. Now we are a company with two companies, one based in Vimercate, Milan, where we design and manufacture our products, and another company subsidiary at Kurz Purdue Research Park in West Lafayette. And we are working both University of Purdue as well as Polytechnic of Milan for the development of our technologies.
Now here we are here to discuss hydrogen fuel cells and batteries. What kind of energy requirements does Genport address?
Since the beginning, we have been focused on off-grid requirements. In any harsh environment where are extreme environmental conditions, you need a reliable source of powers, and that probably should not emit any emissions, so zero impact. And this is a very tough job.
Yeah. So this is sort of the challenges in off-grid contests?
Yes, there are already solutions in place. However, this solution based on acid lead, which are lasting quite quickly, or noisy and unreliable diesel or gasoline generators, are stretching the ability of electronic or any loads that require energy in a reliable way. So we try to approach this problem with new outstanding solution.
And what kind of technologies is Genport providing?
Yes, we try to solve the problem integrating mainly two different technologies, PEM fuel cells and lithium batteries. Try to find advantage of both technologies with a new advanced approach. So call it hybrid power source technology.
For those in the audience who do not know, can you just please give an introduction of what hybrid solution is?
Sure. Lithium-ion batteries provide quick and easy powers, can be cycled many times. Our batteries can last up to 15,000 cycles, 15 years. So they provide a base load integrated with a renewable energy source, and the backup provide extended run times when the battery is fully discharged. And we can benefit of reliability and long run times of fuel cells. So the combination of the two technologies with sophisticated algorithms that we have designed based on predictive control enable us to provide 24 hours, 7 days a week electric energy in off-grid context.
Okay, thank you for the answer. What kind of products does Genport specify on?
Based on this technology, we have 4 different type of product lines. One are custom lithium smart battery packs for portable device, such as for medical equipments, military equipments, leisure, and the automotive industry. We integrate lithium batteries with the small fuel cell to develop. We have we are commercializing a portable fuel cell, 400 watts, the so-called G300 HFC, extremely robust, has been already qualified to work at minus 20 degrees and from our Italian military force. And we have now another new product lines for small stationary application, the so-called lithium battery energy storage system for smart grid in the future, and the hybrid power source combining 5 kilowatts PEM fuel cell with BESS, battery energy storage system for backup and off-grid telecoms.
In terms of your products, what advantages do your products bring?
The key advantage of the product is reliability mainly and the total cost of ownership comparing to traditional technologies, because we can guarantee up to 15 years such type of technologies. We have a real competitive advantage comparing to acid lead or diesel generator or any combination of these technologies that last in less than 15 years. So that's a great advantage that we can find combining such two technologies.
Let me reiterate on the fuel cell system. What kind of fuel cell architecture do you use?
We use like low temperature PEM fuel cells with two different type of fuel strategies. The basic solution is PEM electrolyzers, which is working utilizing the energy exceeding the energy necessary to recharge the lithium batteries. But we have other technology for providing fuels to our PEM fuel cell based on solid hydrogen, sodium boratrate based, and in the near future aluminum water reaction based hydrogen generation, which provide a very interesting opportunity to dramatically reduce the cost per kilowatt hour as well as the overall capex cost of such type of hybrid systems.
So I see that Genport is providing a quite a huge range on expertise. What is your position on the market?
We have a fast growing. We reach the first positive result in operating income this year. We expect to increase our volumes and revenue stream this year and dramatically next year. In some niche market, there is a lot of demand for our system in United States, in agriculture, in indoor as well as outdoor agriculture, in remote context. So we have a very great expectation.
Is there a region that you focus on maybe the European market or the Asian market?
We are spending much more efforts in Europe and United States at this time. We have a planning to extend in Asia in the next couple of years.
Okay. And what is the current process of the company? And can you please also give us a future outlook?
Yes. We are in the process to extend our technologies, consolidate by acquisition of companies in Europe as well as the United States to provide services, technical support, as well as a broadened range of solution. So we consider that in a complex context like off-grid, you cannot address the market with only one technology, one solution. We need to integrate this technology. So for that reason, we are in the phase of very interesting news that I hope to introduce in next edition.
Okay. So that is really interesting. This is already the 20th year anniversary of the group exhibit. Now, you have been here before to the group exhibit, is that right?
Yes.
What kind of benefits do you see when coming here?
Oh, it's. I think this is the key exhibition for European market. We usually exhibit in Japan, United States, and what I think it's my point of view, the right ecosystems for a company operating hydrogen fuel cells to introduce their technology and find partners mainly in Europe, but also in other parts of the world. So we are very glad to be here again since the beginning. We started to introduce in the previous company which I've been working my product here since the beginning of this exhibition. I'm very happy to see that there is fast growing of technologies of the product, and I feel in this edition we are touching reality that we are starting the market.
That sounds great. And you do also have a booth here at the exhibition. What can the audience or the visitors expect when visiting your booth?
They can touch, they can see our portable products. We are exhibiting the portable fuel cell. We are showing some different type of lithium custom battery packs. The key technology they utilize also to make larger systems. So, and we can also are happy to talk with everyone who want to have more details, technical details about our products and markets.
In general, what is your comment on the development of establishing a fuel cell and hydrogen market?
I think since the beginning, a lot of people ask why you need hydrogen, why we need to be focused on in so strategic way hydrogen. And I always ask, do you have an alternative? That's the key answer. I think we strongly believe that at the current state we can solve small problem but important problem of requirement of energy in third world countries as well as in well-developed countries by combining fuel cells to other technology in order to reduce the overall cost of the power the power demand. That is a key issue to start to challenge the market, these complex technologies. Of course, what's my message is very important. We need as an industry try to evolve by reducing year by year the capex cost of the technology in order to be very competitive in favor of other old traditional and bad technologies which are having impact in the environment. This is takes a lot of time, so we need to work together on this. And maybe in a couple of years we will start to see companies inside there will start to compete one each other. That means the market is starting to be evident.
Personally, what do you think, who's the main driver for the increasement of the demand for hydrogen? Is it just the cost, or is it also the interest in renewable energies in a clean environment?
It's provide a solution to customers in terms of energy. Cost, it's a key driver in many markets. In the market which are not well developed energy systems like third world, they cannot afford expensive technology. So it's a commitment to get down the cost because they need these technologies, but these technologies should be available to everyone, not in a high-level market that we are approaching today. Reliability in the military industry, we solve the problem. They need anytime, anywhere energy. Maybe without thermal signatures. Maybe they need to generate energy indoor. So fuel cell has a lot of advantage in terms of this problem. But basically, every day we are fighting to demonstrate that the technology, the fuel cell technology, is affordable. So at the overall cost of kilowatt hours, euro per kilowatt hour, is more convenient. And we are on the track.
Okay. At this time, I can open the public forum for maybe one question, if there is any question at this time. Okay, just one question from the audience.
Hi, my name is Amit. I am from India. When you say small hybrid, small power, what range are we talking about?
We are today we are talking about a range from 300 watts to 5 kilowatts. But we are planning to extend up to 50 kilowatts with fuel cells and battery energy storage up to 200 kilowatt hours with a distributed configuration that in a couple of years.
Okay, so another question? Okay, we are already almost out of time, so I invite you to continue the discussion at the booth of Genport. Mr. Paolo Fracas will be there all day, is that right?
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. So thank you for this wonderful talk, and it was very informative. And the audience can just approach the booth, okay?
Yes, thank you.
So thank you once again. Thank you.